Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you actually how to make a game in Unity, like a Gorilla Tag fan game type of, and those. So first we're gonna download Unity Hub. Links will be in the description. Then once it should look like this, there shouldn't be any of these here. But then you go over here, click on New Project, and once you open it up, click on 3D, and you can name it whatever you want. So I'm just gonna name it Tutorial Game. I'm gonna create the project. Now it's gonna start loading up. Just give it a minute. Okay, now once it loads, it should look something like this. And I'm gonna full screen this. So now you should have like a little scene. You can, if you click mouse button, with the mouse button wheel down, push it down, you can move side to side. If you hold right click, you should be looking around, and you can do WASD to move around. So now you can move around like that. Then what we're gonna do, go up here to edit, top left, down to project settings. Now make sure you have like Unity SDK and all that type of stuff installed. Click on XR plugin management, it should be there. Install XR plugin management. It's gonna start installing. Just give it a second. Okay. Now once it's done, it should look something like this. Go to this little Android icon, click Oculus. Don't click anything else. Then we'll go back to this window tab, open XR. Now it's gonna ask you to restart your Unity, and you wanna click like allow it to restart your Unity. Restart the editor. Now once it loads, it should look something like this with these Oculus and OpenXR tabs. Click on Oculus, change this to multipass, click on this, and then click on Android, multipass as well. None of this matters, so don't go through and like mess with this. I go OpenXR, multipass. So you should also be multipass now. So once you go into this window tab, interaction profiles, there's a little plus, Oculus Touch, and Valve Index. Like that. Then go to Android, click plus, Oculus Touch. Now you're done with this part, so you X out of this. You go to Window, Package Manager. You can see what says plus. Add package from Git URL. We're gonna do com.unity.xr.interaction.toolkit. Something like this. It'll also be on screen. I'll just say, please wait installing a package. Start loading. I made a backup. Go ahead, click that. Should reload. Anyone see what says samples? Click that down and import starter assets. Should look like that. Let it load. Now I can X out of this. Starter assets. All of these little things that pop up that look kind of like sliders. Click on every single one that looks sliders. So click on this first one, and then add to whatever. I add every single one. This one. Yep. Now you want to go to Edit, Project Settings, Preset Manager, and where it says right, to right, left, to the left. This one doesn't matter. And now you X that out. Now what I like to do, for which you kind of bring Blender into Unity, go to Window, Package Manager, and where it says in project, do Unity Registry, search up ProBuilder. Now click Install. Now you've installed. To actually get it, I'm going to go up to Tools, ProBuilder window. It should pop up like something like that. I'm going to take this and drag it over here, so now you have these two. Now what I'm going to do is go to Gorilla Locomotion, which will be a link in the description. It should look like this. Click on Code. and it's just, you go to Loco, click download zip. I already have it downloaded, so I don't need that. But now, instead of that, and you want to kind of like extract it. If you need to extract it, go here. Now it should be in your file. So I'm gonna go. So now you should have like this, whatever. Should look like this. Double click this. While you're still Unity open up, resources, scenes, and scripts should all pop up. Click import. Reload. Now you go back to assets over here. Scenes, Gorilla Locomotion. Now it should look something like this. So what I like to do is go to resources, right click, create folder. I name this materials. Double click to open. Create another folder and name this plain colors. Now create again. Go down to material. Let's name this dark gray. Go here. Kind of find a color you like. It doesn't have to be dark gray. Any color you want. Now it should look something like this. Also, to make it look better, you could click on this. Click on the actual object with the material, and go into the inspector and go down to this. Now see where it says smoothness? Drag this down. It should look a lot nicer. You can do this for the same one over here if you have a material. So now just to show you it works, click play. Now open up Gorilla Player. You can take these. You can move around. There you go. Now your project is set up for a Gorilla Tag fan game.